Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play sound when participants enter and leave in your Zoom meeting. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start or join your meeting as the host. This feature is specifically designed for hosts, so make sure you have host privileges for the meeting you're in. Once you're inside the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen. This action will bring up the meeting controls at the bottom of your interface, giving you access to all the essential features you'll need during your call. Now, look for the More button, which is represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu with additional meeting options that aren't immediately visible in the main controls. From the menu that appears, tap on Host Tools. This section contains all the settings and features that are exclusively available to meeting hosts, allowing you to manage various aspects of your meeting. Next, you'll see several options within Host Tools. Tap on General to access the general settings for your meeting. This is where you can configure basic features that affect how your meeting operates and how participants interact. In the general settings, find the option labeled Play, Join, and Leave Sound. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature means you'll hear an audible notification whenever someone enters or exits your meeting, which is incredibly useful for keeping track of participant activity, especially in larger meetings or when you're waiting for specific people to join. And that's it. You've successfully enabled join and leave sounds for your Zoom meeting, making it easier to stay aware of participant movements without constantly checking your screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.